Meet the Kenda Pathfinder, a versatile all-terrain tire designed to keep your ATV or UTV performing reliably across various conditions. Let's go over its features and see how they enhance your ride. The Pathfinder features a durable construction that balances strength and flexibility, providing dependable performance for utility applications. Its design ensures resilience against common off-road challenges. Equipped with a self-cleaning tread pattern, the Pathfinder effectively sheds mud and debris, maintaining consistent traction. This medium performance design offers reliable grip across diverse terrains, enhancing both safety and control during your rides. The Kenda Pathfinder is available in various sizes to accommodate a wide range of ATV and UTV models. Its adaptable design makes it suitable for both work-related tasks and recreational adventures. The Kenda Pathfinder combines durable construction with a self-cleaning tread pattern, making it a solid choice for riders seeking dependable all-terrain performance. For more details and to explore purchasing options, visit ATVtires.com. The link is in the description.